Hello, my dear children. I am Sachidanand Pathak, your maths teacher. Today is the second day of our video for the chapter number 2, that is long and short. As we have started in the previous video to clear the concept about the long and short. As I hope you all will get understood about the concept of long and short. Okay, now moving forward, here in your book, here a picture is given, and on the basis of this picture, here 3 questions are given. Today we are going to discuss these questions. Okay, now first question is that guess the distance between any two dots. How many centimeter is it? Now measure it with the help of a scale. Did you guess right? So what's saying in this question? It's saying that measure the distance between any two dots. As let's suppose that in the A and B, what is the distance between A and B? Now you need to guess it, and in which unit you have to guess? You have to guess it in the centimeters. Okay, in the centimeter. Let us guess it. Let's we suppose that here it's of 2 centimeter. Kitna? 2 centimeter. Okay, let's see in the copy. As here dots were drawn and 2 dots were, we have to find the distance between the 2 dots. So let us guess that how much distance of these 2 dots have. So for that you have to guess it. First of all, you need to guess it without measuring with the scale. Let us suppose that we thought we guessed that the distance between these 2 dots are 3.5 centimeter. Okay, now you will use your scale to measure the distance. That is, let us check it. Put this 0 on the point A and second endpoint here. Now check it. It's 3, and after 3 there is a 4.1 2 3 4. So 4. So the measurement of this line is how much? That 3.4 centimeter. It means that we guess the distance that was wrong. There was the difference of 0.1 centimeter. Is it clear? So first question is that to measure the distance. Now did you guess right? So your answer will be no. Okay, now the second question, which 2 dots do you think are the farthest from each other? Check your answer. Now in this question you have to find which is the most farthest point with each other. Let's suppose that the O and M, in this O and M will be the farthest point. Is it clear? Let's check here. And suppose which one is the largest? From my point of view, I hope this H and J, because this is of the up to the 13.3 centimeters. And anyone else? Any other point which were maybe farther? Did you guess? Let's see here. This is also the farthest point, but less than the HJ. So this is the most farthest point with each other. What is the distance? That is the 13.4 centimeter. So your answer will be the HJ, that is the 13.4 centimeter. Is it clear? Now next question is, which 2 dots are nearest to each other? Now it's asking that which 2 dots are nearest to each other. Let us check here. I hope this D and E, that is 1.8 centimeter. 1.8 centimeter. Is it clear? I hope you all will understood about this concept, because in this concept you need to first of all draw the dots at your page, at a plain sheet of paper, and now after that you will need to discuss it with your parents to clear more about this concept. I hope you all will understood about this. So try to solve it by your own and by the help of your parents by making the dots on your paper sheet and try to guess it. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.